Hey guys, Mike from LB Music School here. In this video we're going to go over a great tune by the Beatles, Eleanor Rigby. For those of you who've heard this song before, it might sound like it's pretty complicated because you have like a lot of strings and multi-vocals and stuff like that, but as far as the harmony is concerned, guitar players are in luck because it's just two chords, E minor and C. It's a great song to just strum along to and practice and transitioning between your E minor chord and your C chord, and obviously vice versa. So let's just jump right in. Let's just do a quick little review of the chords we're going to use. First one is going to be E minor, open E, second fret on the A string, second fret on the D, open G, open B, open E. One string at a time for you. Next chord we're going to look at is going to be open C. So no low E on this one. We're going to start the third fret on the A string, second fret on the D, open G, first fret on the B, open E. Again, one more time, third fret starting from the A string, second fret, open G, first fret, open. Here's one string at a time for you. Let's quickly touch on the layout of the song. We'll think about it in three different parts, and we'll use the beginning of the lyrics for each part. It'll make sense in just a second. So we have a first part that's where the song starts out with. It's I look at all the lonely people. The next one is Eleanor Rigby, da 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 da, so on and so forth. And then last one will be all the lonely people, da na 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 na. Whatever. I'm not that great at a singer. Please don't judge me. First part of the song, at the very beginning, we have this line that I look at all the lonely people. So the cool part about this first part is that obviously, like I said at the beginning, we're only using two chords, E minor and C. We're going to start on C and strum that chord 8 times. So and then E minor 8 times. Back to C 8 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next part, Eleanor Rigby. A little confusing. Up on the diagram, if you can tell, we have a line of 5 measures. Now usually in music we have lines that are either in multiples of 2, 4, or 8. This one's a little strange in that the progression is 5 measures long. What that means is, and as I showed in the diagram here, those little time what we call time slashes in music, represent strokes. So the first chord that we're going to use is E minor, and if you count, we have 12 slashes. Basically what that means is we're going to strum the E minor chord 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we're going to go to C for 4 beats. Back to E minor for 4 beats. And then repeat. So Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice from the church where the wedding's been. Da na 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 na. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Back to 4, 2, 3, 4. So full speed. Back to E minor for 4. Beginning 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to E minor for 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4. Back to E minor. 2, 3, 4. The next and last part is just an E minor chord. It strums 32 times in a row throughout that entire section. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now if we take those 3 progressions and we put them together all into like one package, so to speak, we'll call it, we would call it the form of a song. You just repeat that form 3 times, and that's the entire song of Eleanor Rigby in terms of the harmony and those chord progressions. So when you're playing along, you get those 3 sections down, you package them into like one form, like I said, play it 3 times, and then you have the whole song. So like I said at the beginning of the video, it's not the exact way that the Beatles play the song. The idea is for you to be able to open up your open chords and play along with them and just get used to the transitions between E minor and C. And there's plenty of songs out there, and I'll be sure to upload, different little hacks you can start playing along with tunes. Thanks guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope this was a fun one for you to do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you soon.